Hi everyone, I am Madam Rosmaya. In this video, we are going to discuss on STPM questions 2018-2019, question 5. A block with a mass of 0.20 kg is hung at the end of a spring and it is lifted vertically so that the spring is unstretched. The block is then released and it touches the table with a velocity of 0.80 meter per second. If the distance of the table from the released point of the spring is 0.10 meter, so what is the force constant of the spring? So initially the spring is hung vertically with the initial velocity 0, and the spring is unstretched. At the final position, when the block is released, it touches the table with the velocity v equals to 0.80 meter per second. So the extension of the spring or the h is given 0.10 meter. So we are going to determine the force constant of the spring. So we use principle of conservation of energy, where initial kinetic energy plus final potential energy initial kinetic energy plus initial potential energy equals to final kinetic energy plus final potential energy. So using the general equation for potential energy equals to mgh and kinetic energy half mv squared. So initial kinetic energy is 0 because the u initial is 0. Potential energy initially is mgh, so h is 0.10, and kinetic energy final is half mv squared, and plus the potential energy from the spring, half kx squared. So we substitute the values of m 0.20 kg, g 9.81 meter per second, and the h 0.10, and the velocity is 0.80 meter per second, and the x here extension 0.10 meter. So we solve for k. So the k value is 26 Newton per kilogram. So the answer is B. So that's all for this question. Thank you for watching.